Thinking about a Brazilian wax, but worried about discomfort? You're not alone. Did you know that yoga and stretching can help make waxing smoother and less painful? Let's unlock flexibility, relaxation, and confidence with this specially designed pre-wax yoga routine. Why yoga before waxing? Loosens tight muscles and skin, increases circulation for better healing, reduces stress, making the experience more comfortable, enhances flexibility for easier positioning. What to expect in this routine? Full body stretching for better movement, relaxation techniques for a stress-free wax session, breath work to reduce discomfort, a smooth transition into your grooming routine, gentle breathing and relaxation, deep belly breathing. Inhale for seconds, hold for seconds, exhale 6 seconds. Shoulder and neck rolls to release tension, gentle torso twists to loosen lower back. Awareness of posture and core engagement, lower body activation. Standing knee raises to warm up hip flexors, gentle forward bends to stretch hamstrings, butterfly stretch for inner thigh flexibility, light ankle circles to prepare for balance poses, main yoga sequence, hip opening poses for easy leg positioning, seated pigeon stretch for deep hip relaxation, low lunge to release tension in the groin, happy baby pose to stretch inner thighs, reclining butterfly pose to promote relaxation, core and lower back strengthening, cat-cow stretch for spinal mobility, boat pose for core engagement, seated spinal twist for deep stretch, plank hold for stability, thigh and hamstring flexibility, downward dog to lengthen the hamstrings, standing forward fold for deep relaxation, triangle pose to enhance flexibility, seated hamstring stretch for improved range of motion, glutes and quadriceps release, standing quad stretch for better leg mobility, figure 4 stretch to ease tension, bridge pose for glute activation, child's pose for deep relaxation and mindfulness breath work to reduce pain sensitivity, box breathing technique to calm nerves, alternate nostril breathing for balance, slow deep inhales and extended exhales, guided relaxation cues, gentle cool down stretches, seated forward bend to relax muscles, recline twist for spinal decompression, legs up the wall pose to reduce swelling, full body stretch to release any tension. Mental preparation for waxing. Focus on relaxation rather than pain. Visualizing a smooth, irritation-free wax session, reminding yourself of the benefits: longer lasting smoothness, cleaner feel. Affirmations for confidence and self-care. Pre-wax skincare reminders. Exfoliate 24 hours before waxing. Keep skin hydrated, but avoid heavy creams. Trim hair to an ideal length for best results. Choose a high-quality waxing kit for comfort. Ready to try this routine before your next wax? Drop a comment if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more self-care tips. Click the links below for the best waxing products to complete your grooming routine.